Hello, and welcome to my course on learning how to use minimalist interior design to live your very best life. In this course, I will show you how to incorporate this very hot, very popular interior design style into your home with ease, and how a minimalist interior design can help to simplify your life and bring peace and tranquility to your home. My name is Erikka Fogelman, and I am the owner of Erikka Interiors, an interior design firm located in Southern California. And I will be personally leading you through this course. So why should you take this course? Well, research has proven that a minimalist home can achieve amazing mental and emotional benefits, such as less irritability, less distraction, the ability to be more productive, and the ability to process information better. I am sure that this sounds like fantastic outcomes for nearly everyone. So let me show you how you can do this in your home. In this course, you will receive a template on which I will walk you through step by step on how to create a minimalist interior design plan for any room of your home. For this class, there are no requirements necessary to enroll. You just need to come with a pencil as well as some scratch paper to jot down some notes. And as with any online training, be ready to engage yourself fully as I take you on a design journey filled with beautiful, inspirational images along the way. So, if a clutter-free, stress-free, beautiful home sounds like something that you would love, then don't delay. Go ahead and click on the Buy Now button on the right-hand side, and I will see you in the class.